Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Remove the foil shielding that covers the solid-state drive shield. Peel back the main wireless LAN antenna foil from the solid-state drive shield. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the solid-state drive shield to the display enclosure. Carefully separate the solid-state drive shield from the retention clips on the system board and remove. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it from the connector on the system board. Reverse this procedure to install the solid-state drive. Important: when installing the solid-state drive, be sure to align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot in the system board.